What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can save a video from Capcut to your gallery. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to go to your Capcut app. After opening the Capcut app, what you need to do, you have to go to your project that you have worked on. So after editing your video on Capcut, what you need to do, you have to click on a option called export. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow the steps that I'm going to show you to export your video from Capcut to your gallery. So after editing your video, all the things you have worked on, if you want to move it from Capcut to gallery, what you need to do, you have to click on a option called export in the top right corner. Just like this, you have to click on export. Then your video will be moved from Capcut to your gallery. I'm going to show you just like this. You can see as a bunch of options you can share on. Then after clicking on export, your video is ready to share. Then you have to click on done. Then you can check your gallery to for your video. So this is how you can save your video from Capcut to your gallery. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.